Hi Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Capricorn, so let's look at into your energy and your personal energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the rest of July 2021. Also, Capricorn, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Capricorn, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into the reading here, Capricorn. On this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Capricorn, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here as well. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and then I'm also getting a very strong fire energy, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Now, looking at your energy here, Capricorn, actually, let me start with both of your energy first, because with this new and supportive connection that I've got here, as well as the Three of Cups energy that I'm getting coming up from your person, I feel like both of you here, Capricorn, you and your partner, there is a third party energy here individually on an individual level between both of you here. So let me just start with your energy. Now with your energy here, Capricorn, I'm getting the Page of Pentacles, I'm getting the Page of Cups, and then I'm getting the deserving energy. So one thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Capricorn, with this coming full moon energy and the rest of July 2021 here, you are starting to think within yourself here that let your person take however long that they're going to take here, fixing up any third party situation, fixing up any karmic situation, healing and transforming within themselves. But you are starting to come to a point where you know and you feel that you deserve to move on with your life. You feel and you know here that you deserve to be with someone here who is actually going to give you everything that you desire and everything that you deserve. And in fact here, Capricorn, with this Page of Cups energy and the new supportive connection here, some of you here, Capricorn, you are actually ready to just go ahead with your journey and to find any new person that is going to be there in your life, like any new person that you can start a romantic relationship with. Some of you here, Capricorn, also already have a group of people who are actually pursuing you here is also another thing that I've got. So overall energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Capricorn, is that there are people or there are future partners or potential partners, I would say here, that is already there in your life here, Capricorn. It's just that now it's up to you whether you are going to let them come in, whether you're actually going to open up yourself, open up your heart here to all of these new people and new partner to be in your life here, Capricorn. Because at the same time here, you're also manifesting. I'm getting like a very strong manifestation power, and manifestation energy is also another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Capricorn. So you are manifesting things that you feel you deserve. You feel that you deserve to be with someone who's actually going to be there for you. You feel here that you deserve to be with someone who's actually not going to be ghosting you around, is going to be give you the honesty and the clarity that you need here. So you are manifesting the ultimate happiness for you here in terms of the love and relationship wise. At the same time here, Capricorn, I'm also getting this Nine of Wands energy coming up here. At the same time here, you are also feeling little bit anxious within yourself. You're also feeling within yourself here as if whether you are actually good enough, whether you actually deserve to get that. So there is like a little bit of back and forth energy is also another thing that I've got coming up for you. So the first thing that you need to do here, Capricorn, is that put down all of this defensive wall and all of this box that you've been putting up yourself within here. I feel like this is the time that you need to step outside of this particular box, to step outside of your safe and comfort zone here, Capricorn. Now let's look at into your person energy here. I've got the Kinder partnership coming up here, the Three of Cups, and then I've got the Seven of Cups energy coming up here. There is no doubt about the soul connection that both of you shared here, especially with this Kinder partnership energy. Yet at the same time here, I'm getting the Three of Cups energy coming up here. So there is someone else with them at this point of time, a third party situation. Now this third party situation is only going to be it's only going to be applicable to some people, not to every Capricorn out there. Some of them here, Capricorn, might also currently going through, let's say, a karmic situation, toxic friend, toxic family members. They could also like going through some sort of like a pain and trauma that they're keeping within themselves here, because the main energy that I'm getting coming up from your person here, Capricorn, they're actually feeling confused. They're actually feeling a huge loss energy at this point of time here, which is why I've got the loss energy coming up here as well. So like I said, both of you are almost feeling the same thing here. Both of you are actually still feeling the loss of the relationship, feeling quite guilty, and to a certain extent you could also be blaming up yourself. At the same time here, both of you are also ready for a new person. Currently your partner here could be with someone else, or that could be like a third party situation here, or this third party situation could also be coming up from your energy here, Capricorn, whereas you are actually ready to just completely move on, to just like be with someone else at this point of time. But whatever it is here, both of you are struggling. I'm getting like a very strong feeling overwhelmed and feeling overburdened. But more specifically here, Capricorn, your partner here, they are currently feeling overwhelmed, overburdened, as well as confused whether onto what they need to be doing, onto what they're supposed to be doing here. Because I feel like this is when that everything is just like crumbling right in front of their eyes, I would say here, Capricorn, specifically here with the coming full moon energy. So this full moon energy is going to bring a lot of massive shift, I would say here. And for your partner here, this is going to bring down everything that they've been building up themselves with here. All of this pain and all of this trauma, this is finally their moment to face out all of those energies, what I'm getting here, Capricorn. So a very interesting energy indeed here is what I'm getting. So that's it for your reading here, Capricorn. I hope it resonates for the month of July 2021. If this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section, as well as don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.